Monday night. Let's put the girls to bed. Normally it is let's get the girls ready for bed, but I got called into work because a wall heater was smoking and she freaked out. So I walked her through how to turn it off through the wall on the breaker panel, went in and fixed it. So we don't have to worry about scooping the poop, just getting the eggs, because the turd burglar was here. Hi, beautiful ladies. And 20. Rusty, what are you doing up there? Rusty's not happy. Give me a second, I've got to get the eggs. Ah, what the hell? That's right, I don't have to scoop the poop. I know, shut the door, it's chilly. Warm in here though. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, we only got 7 today, ladies. I need to work on that. Good night, beautifuls. Sleep well. I just love listening to them. Just talking. Wonder what they're saying. So Princess Buttercup did good last night putting herself to bed. But tonight, she wants to sleep up here. Hi, beautiful girl. Can I come and get you? Give me a second. She is a very beautiful girl. Very docile. Hi, baby. Yeah, I know, Mr. Mimi. Be patient. She is a very good girl. Now, being I was called into work, I should have been out here a little sooner to help her with getting to bed. But then, like I said, last night she put herself to bed, but the night before I had to teach her. So, baby steps. Good night, baby. So yes, I did turn the light back on so she can get comfortable. I'll give her a couple minutes. So Fred is back from his little vacation. He had a very nice outing. Well, there you are, bud. Girls have already gotten their treats. Now we just got to go smack them in the butt to tell them to go to bed. It's always these two. It's always these two. Come on, let's get in bed. Let's go. Fly. There you go. Fly. Thank you. Nobody in here. Okay. So slowly but surely, I'm getting the place back together. And that storm really screwed us up. But he's doing good. They're doing good. And that's all that matters. All right, I'm gonna get a fire going. Something is still wet. Feels wet, I guess. I don't know. Just split a whole bunch of it. So yeah, I'm gonna get a fire going. I'm gonna let Griffin in to hang out. You all stay safe. Have an amazing night. I'm going to.